Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to use JSPDF, which is a library to generate PDFs in JavaScript. So we are going to install by using npm on terminal. We can type npm install JSPDF with save and hit enter. I have already installed this on my system, so I'm going to skip this step. And after this, we are going to add a code. First, we are going to import by requiring JSPDF. So this will automatically load the node version. So this is the const JSPDF, and here we get require JSPDF. And now we are going to create the document doc new JS PDF, and we are going to add a text to our document doc.text. Hello world. Then we are going to save our PDF file. So this will be doc.save, and this will be test.pdf. And now we can run our code. And after we run our code, the PDF file is saved to our system. And this is our PDF file. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.